Your fat cells are broken. Here's proof. You've tried dieting. You've tried exercising. You've tried everything. But that stubborn fat won't budge. It's not your fault, and it's not about willpower. Scientists discovered the real problem is inside your cells. Tiny power plants called mitochondria control whether you burn fat or store it. When they're damaged, your body can't burn fat no matter what you do. It just keeps storing it. This is called mitochondrial dysfunction, and it affects most people over 30. Quick transparency note. The link in the description is an affiliate link. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you check it out. A company called Mitolyn created a formula with 6 natural compounds shown in research to support mitochondrial health. Maqui Berry, Rhodiola, Haematococcus, Amla, Cacao, Schisandra. Not stimulants, not appetite suppressants. These work at the cellular level to help your body actually burn fat again. 90-day money-back guarantee. Nothing to lose except the fat. Link in the description. Check it out. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement.